YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Randomly Fly, and we're back with another episode. And today we have our first unboxing review. Aren't you guys excited? So Beardgrub is a company that I did some work with back when they first started. So, you know, they revamped and did some new things. So they sent me over a beard box to do a review on the channel. And I was like, hey, I'm all with the opportunity. So, hey, let's get right to it and see what we got. Nice box. Huge. Pretty big. You can see it. Nice beard box, Beardgrub box to take care of your bearding needs. So we have the Beardgrub bag. This is nice. In the Beardgrub bag we have a Beardgrub brush. Bing. Can you see it? Should be able to see it. Got the Beardgrub comb, little mini comb. That's not bad. Little comb. Let me get straight for the recording. Hit it with go after the brush. I'm kind of a brush guy now. The brush has been working wonders for my beard. So, hit it with the brush. Okay. Got the pouch bag with the brush and comb. Not bad. Not bad. I like it. Nice marketing. You can keep that. Turn into a coin purse. Keep your things in there. Something you can carry to the gym, headphones. Do a lot of things with this bag. Nice. Oh, beard balm. Unscented. Unscented beard balm. Let's check it out. Yeah, it doesn't, unscented doesn't have a smell, so I don't even know why I smelled that. But it's the beard balm. What else we got in here? Oh, foaming beard wash. We have some foaming beard wash. Range lemonade. Smells good. Range lemonade. It smells good. Oh. Oh man, this smells excellent actually. Oh man, I'm gonna try that out. Not on my skin, on my beard. What we got? Oh, vegan. This is not bad. And it smells good. This smells really good. It's got like a hint of orange in it, but it does have that lemonade. It does have that lemonade smell. It's not bad. So I like this stuff, man. This stuff is pretty good, man. This stuff smells great. I can't wait to check this out in my daily routine, my daily beard routine. If you guys want me to put a routine up on what I do, just let me know, man. I'll get back to you guys and show you my daily beard routine so you guys can get your beard looking this crispy and fresh. But I like this stuff. Foaming beard wash. It says Range Lemonade at the bottom. Smells excellent. Actually smells great. And we have the beard oil, the magic stuff. Let's see. I know they said they changed the scent. Oh, this is a good scent. This smells like, let's see if I can, no, did they put it on here? Jojoba, rose hip, prime rose, sunflower, coconut, fragrance. Okay. Man. It's almost got the citrus smell to it as well. It smells great though. Wow. I know the last formula that they had, it was more of a kind of cologne fragrance. Not that strong, but like a soft cologne fragrance. Man, I love the smell of this. This smells great. Okay. Okay. I'm digging it. And this is the 1 ounce bottle of beard oil. You guys can pick that up. So let's get another quick run through of the box. So we got the brush and comb bag. You can throw a little something in here. Keep it in your car, fellas. Help you get some organization done. You can use this for some other things. Or your brush and comb travel kit. Okay. Not bad. I don't know if I held the comb up to the screen as well. That's some nice branding on there. Okay. And we have the foaming beard wash. Foaming beard wash. This smells great. Range lemonade. I'm definitely going to be diving into this stuff this week. I just ran out of beard wash. What do you know? Then we have the beard balm unscented. It's great for holding your beard in place. I've never had, you know what? That's a lie. I've had one beard balm that was scented, and it was just like almost like a cocoa butter type scent. So most beard bombs I've ran across really don't have scents. So this is something that's not unusual, so to speak, in the beard community. Yeah, most beard bombs don't really have scents. And we have the beard oil. This is a nice presentation, guys. And we have the thank you card. Let's see. Thank you. At Beardgrub, we can't have enough bearded brothers. That's why if you are reading this, we have already accepted you as family with open arms. Aww. We will continue to provide you with premium beard care products as long as you allow. We are grateful and we are thankful for we are grateful and we thank you for choosing Beardgrub. It's nice. Instructions. Works best after shower. Rub Beardgrub and palm and evenly distribute throughout the beard. Work deep into beard with hands or brush. Continue to brush or comb into desired style. Always remember, start with small amounts. You can add more if needed. External use only. Follow us at beardgrub_LLC, beardgrub.com. This is nice. Thank you card. Show you guys the front. Get a look at the thank you card up front. And then on the back, you got the beard and the instructions. So this is a nice beard box, guys. This is really nice. This is a nice beard box. I know it retails, I think it retails, you know, on the site, I believe $60. I'll have the actual price if I'm wrong on there, but I believe it's $65. I don't know if they changed the price in. If they did, like I said in last video, I'll just cut this segment out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But this is nice. This is a nice box, man. It's got some width to it, some thickness to it. The Beardgrub box. This is nice. This is gorgeous. I like it. You can use this for some other things too, if you want to take your things out, or even it's enough room in here where you can set everything accordingly to what you need. Let's see. We can go shampoo, my beard balm, bam. We can go beard oil, bam. Thank you card, bam. It's a nice setup. That's a nice setup right there. Get that, see if you can get that in the camera. Yeah, just sit that up in your bathroom, fellas. And then you'll take care of your bearding needs for the day. You come in, okay, yeah, I gotta get to my beard. This will be excellent for you guys to leave in the bathroom. Leave it in there and take care of your beard. Let me tell you something, fellas. Let's just get to this. Because I know a lot of guys I come across say, hair, you don't need that yourselves. And listen, maintain your beard. Nourish your beard. I see a lot of guys out here with scruffy beards. Yes, it's a trend now. A lot of people are rocking the beards. Please maintain your beard. Beard oil, beard wash, beard balm, brush, and comb. You have to do it. You have to do it. Like, you don't just let your hair go unkempt. Hey, man, if you got a good grade of hair, more power to you. Hey, if you don't have to do all of this, great. But most people, they do some type of maintenance to their beard and hair to keep it looking well-groomed and nice. This is the men's grooming channel. So, if you can, guys, get you some Beardgrub. Support. This is some good stuff. Like I said, I did some work with them earlier on. Man, they are awesome company, man. Looks like they're advancing. So, man, I advise you guys to check them out. You know, I'm pretty sure, I know you can, if you guys don't want to do the beard box, I know they sell everything separately, I believe, on the site. So, check them out, man. Thank you for tuning in for another episode with your boy, Randomly Fly, on YouTube, doing my first unboxing review of the Beardgrub. Oh, like, comment, subscribe. Let me not forget that. I always got to run through my YouTube script. Let me not forget the important things. Like, comment, subscribe. I was going to say comment again, but it's saying like, comment, and subscribe. So, this your boy Randomly Fly, man, signing out, man. Appreciate all you guys. Thanks.